Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you the final specs of the upcoming Realme X2 Pro, which will be the flagship killer phone with flagship features coming at an affordable price. The Realme X2 Pro will be unveiled at an event in Spain on October 15, but the company has announced that it will also be launched for the Chinese market simultaneously at an event in Beijing. The X2 Pro is the company's first proper high-end smartphone, which will come with a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset and a 90Hz notch. Realme has also confirmed other features like dual stereo speakers with a Dolby Atmos support, 50W Super VOOC charging and a 64MP quad camera setup with a telephoto unit. Realme is yet to reveal the rest of the specs of the X2 Pro, but a company executive posted an image of the phone on Weibo revealing its back with a quad camera setup aligned vertically in the center. You can also see the dual LED flash on the right side of the cameras with the Realme branding further below. The X2 Pro also appeared on China, confirming 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display having a fingerprint reader underneath and a 16MP of selfie snapper housed inside its notch. The smartphone will boast a 64MP primary camera at the back, which will be joined by a 13MP telephoto module with a 3x optical zoom and 8MP of ultra-wide unit and a 2MP of depth sensor. The X2 Pro will run Android Pie out of the box and have a 6GB and 64GB of storage, but there won't be a slot for microSD, so you have got a limitation on storage, making it the second smartphone in the X lineup to not support the expandable storage. So we are expecting that it may house an 4000 or 4500 mAh of battery with a fast charging support. The price details are not yet been revealed, but we are expecting that it will be priced around $350 to $450, which will be very aggressive pricing. So these are the updates we have about the Realme X2 Pro. If you have anything in your mind, any questions regarding X2 Pro, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.